Hey, we're off to the zoo, huh?
We're after the zoo. Hey, everybody.
Yeah, say we're out to see the zoo, everybody.
We're out to the zoo, everybody.
We're gonna go to the zoo.
Do you see the zoo?
Say hey, mommy.
What's up?
Are you in a good mood?
Hey, Daddy, come on.
I hope so.
Can I take a picture of you?
Cause I'm just kidding, cause I know you are.
Can I take a picture of you?
No, you can take a bunch of pictures of me at the zoo.
Take a bunch of pictures at the zoo with you?
Yep.
Oh, no, turn on red.
This is the zoo road. This is the road to the zoo, guys. Quick kiss for the cameras.
We're up to the
Wait, hurry.
What?
I know they saw.
I thought you wanted like a picture.
Okay, say bye-bye.
No, that cute
Play what?
play with those guys in the camera.
The guys inside of here?
Uh-huh.
These guys? Okay.
Hi, everybody. Don't you want to go to the zoo with me? No.
Yes, I want to go to the zoo with you.
But no, she doesn't.
Yes, I do. Yeah, we do.
That looks like Mommy's car.
Nah, the blue one?
It matches Mommy's car.
It's the same color, yeah.
Almost.
Different make and model though. Come on, girl, get your stuff straight.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, baby, here, let's go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.